please do not forget to put a comment if you have loved it, and if you want to have any information about any product, you can just put a comment and contact me, or you can just DM me on my Insta or Facebook page. The details will be in the video link description box. So stay tuned, have happy glowy skin. So this is gonna be a step-by-step tutorial or a skincare regime sharing. So stay tuned and please let me know what you feel and what are the products you also incorporate that matches to my regime. And I hope everybody wants glowing skin without makeup in winter, since it tends to get dry, and when you are at home obviously you wanna detox your skin. And this is a requested video from my friends, so yeah, these are for you guys. And please do not forget to share, like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't. So without any delay, let's start. So this is my just woke up skin. I have nothing applied on it. So the first step is getting my skin cleansed, and I would use Pears Ultra Mild face wash which has glycerin in it, and I love the texture. It is highly moisturizing. I sprinkle water on my face, since you shouldn't apply face wash on your dry skin, so this would give me or help me rather to lather. You can moisturize it as long as you are satisfied you have covered all your areas. And yeah, so don't forget to moisturize and massage. That is that what I was telling. So I love the smell. And after this I'm just gonna clean this off with plain water, and then I'm gonna use a face tissue to wipe it off. I'm not gonna use a face towel. A face tissue is softer on your skin, gentle on your skin, so I prefer this one. So I'm gonna dab off the remaining moisture whatever is there. Now next step in CTM regime is, yeah, you guessed it right, it's toning. So this time I'm using cucumber toner from Jovees. This toner is really nice for acne oily combination, and I have combination skin, so this provides me ample moisture, and I just mist my skin with it. So if you gently pat your skin in, so it's gonna take the moisture in and you will feel refreshed. So yeah, I love my neck area, so I'm gonna do it to there also. So next step of CTM regime is moisturizing. Yeah, so since this is winter, I'm not gonna apply my summer moisturizer which are really oil free. Rather I would take a moisturizer which is more intense. So this has aloe vera skin benefits also, and it protects the skin also, so I chose this. Next step is this is optional, but I love to add it to my regime, that is skin oil, and I love it. You can see it from my expression. This oil is containing a mixture of essential oils which our skin generally cannot produce by itself, so we can provide it externally, and in winter it is awesome. Or you can use it as a base for your foundation or your primer. Sorry, my camera was like okay, so I am just blending the oil into my skin. I'm not applying on the eye area because I have something different in my mind for my eyes. And this oil makes you feel that you have applied something natural and ayurvedic inside. um, so so the correct way is to apply moisturizer first and then oil, so don't do otherwise. So for the skin, this oil I have applied, but for eyes I haven't. So I am applying again an aloe vera based eye gel. This will reduce my puffiness. Oh, sorry, I think I am already running out of it. uh, let me see. Oh, I really need to get a new tube. I use this every day, my god. So yeah, it came out now. So I'll just apply it under my eyes to reduce the puffiness, and also it provides a very calm and refreshing effect. I am gonna apply on my temple area also a bit, so I feel relaxed. My eyes also don't look puffy after it gets absorbed. I love this. This product is from Aroma Magic, so this is really healing. I usually apply it twice a day. So I'm just tapping in. So you can just roll your fingers on your eyeballs and release it. So that's a good massage technique I have learned, and you can also apply on your skin. You can see how satisfied I am after following this regime, because my skin is thanking me from inside. So how many? 1 2 3 4 5 6. What is the sixth product, or what is the sixth step? I think you missed it. No, I will not miss it. I will apply it obviously. This is sunscreen from Lotus. You can use any sunscreen of your own choice, and it should be at least 25 level SPF. So I'll just dot it on my face and I'll blend it all over. So make sure you apply sunscreen on winters, because you might feel that there's no sun outside, it's cloudy and you don't need sun guard and all. But never forget this, because harmful rays are always there even if you don't feel it. So even if you are indoors, please do not forget your sunscreen. This hack will For this hack you will thank me later, because this also prevents you from early aging of your skin, and you can also prevent wrinkles by applying sunscreen. So I'm taking my time to just blend the sunscreen on my skin. This is a matte one. You can use oily one also. You can also use a matte UV gel. That's also a part of Lotus range. So also you can apply it on your ears and any exposed part. So I'll also apply it on my neck area. I always take care of the neck area. I feel it looks very bad if your skin is glowing and your neck area looks dull. So I never miss adding products to my neck. And so once it's done, I would move on to haha. Guess what? Yeah, you're right. It's lips. So I would quickly prepare something natural from the kitchen to exfoliate my lips, to remove the dead cells, and to make it moisturized naturally. So I took 1 spoon of honey and I am adding some sugar crystals to it to make a lip exfoliator, and I'm just gonna blend that in my palm and apply it on my lips. This will help me get smooth lips. So you can use coconut oil also if you don't have honey at your home. That's also a natural exfoliator and moisturizer. So after this step you're gonna see I'll just wipe it off with a face towel, and my lips will already look hydrated. But on top of that, if you are stepping out and you still feel that it can get dry, so you can also add your favorite lip balm or lip color to just keep it moisturized throughout the day. So I'm choosing here a lip balm from VLCC. This is a rosebud color, and I love this because it is more intense than the Maybelline's baby lips, and this also has a light color which looks natural. Hope you liked it. Done with getting my winter glow skin, and hope you guys also loved this tutorial or skincare regime video. Bye. Thanks for watching, and please do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you are a new one. So bye, thanks.